We are thrilled to present the grant project from April Impact Institute titled Greenhouse Gas Reduction Using Synthetic Lubricants in Tier 2 and Tier 3 Textile Mills. This initiative is a collaborative effort between Grant Thornton Bharat and our technical advisor, Bluewin. Over the next 10 minutes, we will provide an overview of the project. We will outline our strategy to shift industry's perspective on lubricants and emphasize the critical role of emission reduction. Our goal is to demonstrate how synthetic lubricants can achieve significant environmental benefits. This project will be led by a consortium headed by Grant Thornton Bharat and supported by Bluewin Limited. Grant Thornton Bharat, based in India, is a member of Grant Thornton International, which operates in 150 countries worldwide. We bring extensive expertise in consulting and advisory services with experience across over 45 countries in Asia, Africa, Europe, and the Pacific. We specialize in enhancing energy and resource efficiency and adoption of renewable energy throughout industrial sectors, including the textile value chain. Our team has implemented innovative solutions such as blockchain based tracing for major textile companies, contributed to shaping energy policies in Cambodia and Laos with primary focus on textile and garment sectors. Our team has led significant projects in India, Sri Lanka, and Bangladesh's textile sector. We are known for our robust project management approach and our ability to collaborate effectively with key stakeholders globally. Bluewind Limited is our technical advisor. They work with brands, mills, and organizations to create environmental strategies that really make a difference. Bluewin focuses on reducing the adverse impacts of fashion and textile industries on the environment. To begin any project, it's crucial to understand the problem statement. Currently, the lubricant market in the industrial sector, particularly in textiles, is predominantly served by conventional mineral oil based products. These account for approximately 95% of the market, underscoring a heavy reliance on outdated and less sustainable options. Conversely, only about 5% of industries use advanced synthetic lubricants. Synthetic lubricants are specially engineered in laboratory settings for targeted applications, offering superior performance compared to mineral oils, which generally follows a more generic one size fits all approach. Unfortunately, there is a significant lack of awareness in the textile industries regarding the benefits of synthetic lubricants. Many textile mills use lubricants solely for their basic function, overlooking their potential for energy saving and other co benefits. Synthetic lubricants offer several advantages over conventional products, including reduced friction, enhanced temperature and viscosity stability, increased resistance to oxidation and contamination, a longer oil life, and improved cold start performance. These properties make synthetic lubricant more efficient and contribute to lower greenhouse gas emissions. Depending on the application, an energy saving of 1 to 7% can be realized by switching from mineral oil based lubricants to synthetic. However, as previously mentioned, there is a gap in awareness and a need for proper demonstration of energy saving that synthetic lubricants can provide. This is where our initiative comes into play. By addressing the current knowledge gap, we aim to introduce synthetic lubricants that significantly enhance operational efficiency and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Our goal is to support the industry in advancing towards its decarbonization targets, ultimately contributing to a more sustainable future. Why do we need support? The assistant we seek will help us achieve three key objectives. The first objective is to showcase synthetic lubricants as a practical and effective option, a low hanging fruit in the energy efficiency landscape. By piloting this solution in Tier 2 and Tier 3 textile mills, we will generate concrete evidence of its benefits. Our second objective is to create a best practice guide based on consultations and data collected. This guide will facilitate the transition from conventional mineral oil based lubricants to synthetic alternatives, aiding in their easy adoption and replication across the industry. The third and the final objective is to turn our success stories into impactful case studies that will be shared with a global audience. Increasing awareness is crucial to widespread adoption, and this grant will enable us to create the ripple effect needed for broader industry change. Now, I invite my colleague to speak about the key project activities and anticipated impact.
Every project requires a structured roadmap to achieve its goals. This slide outlines our planned approach. Our project is organized into several key phases. First, we have the inception phase. We begin the project by establishing the blueprint for execution, setting the foundation for the project. Next is the identification and onboarding of mills. In this phase, we will identify and onboard two textile mills in India for participation in the project. This will be followed by an equipment selection. After onboarding, we will work with plant management, engineers, and operators to identify equipment suitable for piloting synthetic lubricants. Next is the baseline assessment phase. We will conduct baseline assessment to establish specific energy consumption of the selected equipment and key variables impacting its performance. Following the baseline assessment, we will proceed with lubricant changeover to synthetic options. We will then reevaluate the specific energy consumption of the equipment to analyze the energy savings achieved. We will debrief the mill's management and technical staff and document standard operating procedures. Once documentation and case studies are completed, we will share our findings globally. The last phase will focus on finalizing documentation and closing of the project. This structured approach ensures a comprehensive evaluation and effective implementation of synthetic lubricants in textile industries. Here, we outline the goals and anticipated achievements. The success of our project hinges on addressing a significant barrier: the lack of understanding of synthetic lubricants as a tool for mitigating climate change. Additionally, the unfamiliarity with measurement and verification protocols complicates the accurate quantification of energy savings. Our objective extends beyond energy savings and greenhouse gas emission reduction. We aim to develop compelling success stories that will encourage broader adoption across the industry. The impact of this grant will be twofold. First is the direct impact of reducing emissions in the pilot mills. Second is the indirect impact of creating a comprehensive marginal abatement cost solution for the textile industry, offering a clear pathway for future decarbonization efforts.
Our next steps focus on establishing a proof of concept for the textile industry. We will develop a comprehensive best practice guide to facilitate the scaling and adoption of synthetic lubricants across the Tier 2 and Tier 3 textile mills, not only in India but globally. This will be supported by conducting knowledge dissemination sessions. Additionally, we will organize a series of knowledge sharing sessions for Clean by Design and other technical professionals involved with the Apparel Impact Institute. Our goal is to extend the use of synthetic lubricants to 25% of Tier 2 and Tier 3 mills worldwide by 2030. This project aims to go beyond introducing a new product. It seeks to transform the industry's perspective on lubricants. With the right support and collaboration, Grant Thornton and Bluewin will use their expertise and initiatives to set a new standard for energy efficiency in textile sector and make a substantial impact on reducing the carbon footprint. Thank you for your attention. We look forward to successfully executing this transformative project and make a meaningful impact towards climate. Thank you.